What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. I got a little bit more energy this video than my last video. It was kind of lackluster. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but I'm gonna bring a little bit more energy in this video. As you all can see from the thumbnail and the title of the video, yes, I got some heaters that I picked up from the past like month and a half from Karhu. I think it's Karhu or Karhu. Is it Karhu or Karhu? Anyway, I got some sneakers from Karhu and New Balance. I got another pair of New Balance supposed to be coming in, but I don't know if they're gonna come in during shooting this video or after. So if they come in after, I come back and shoot the last part of the sneakers that came in. I got another pair of shoes upstairs. They're gonna be shot in its own separate video. So I will leave y'all to, if you check my Instagram story a few days ago, I did kind of like post a picture of the box of the shoes that I got. And I had to pay a resale for them, but it wasn't too bad. But I got the shoes that I wanted because I could L on sneakers out. But anyway, I have 4 pair of shoes that I want to show you all that I've been picking up, and I have worn some. I've worn 3 of these, but I haven't worn the other one yet. But anyway, I just want to show y'all what I got, what I've been picking up lately. I'll probably slow down a little bit on picking up stuff. I'm gonna do a little bit more other than just picking up stuff and just showing y'all what I got. I'm just trying to open up a little bit more, just talk about other things other than what I picked up and showing it to y'all, because I think they get kind of boring at times. And I just want to give y'all a little bit more. And I know last year I had told y'all what I had planned for this year for content. It been a bit overwhelming. There's just a lot of shit that I threw on my plate on the content that I want to put out. So I'm just trying to make it a little bit more digestible for you all to watch and be entertained at the same time. So I'm trying to try different things here and there and just trying to improve the quality of the channel when it comes to the content. But anyway, let's get right to the unboxing. But before that, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notification bell if you can. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button if you really do like the content, because that like button goes a long way. The more likes I get, the more YouTube gonna make the algorithm work and try to get my videos out to as many people as possible. And I would greatly appreciate if y'all can give me that little bit of support. In return, I'll give y'all more videos. Deal? Deal. Enough talking, we're gonna get right to the unboxing. Let's get into it. The shoes that I wanna show you all first that I had picked up from, of course, one of my new brands that I've been picking up recently, which is New Balance. And the colorway that I decided to go with were these black and golds. Look, these are hard. These are super. Come on, focus for me, baby. I felt like I had to get these. You just have like a really simple fit with these. Just get like some sweatpants and a tee throw on with these, and you just can't go wrong. So mostly this is a suede shoe. Like just the whole body of the shoe right here, just blacked out suede. And also the leather right here, the end is all leather. Also the stroke around it, that gold, that is leather too. Also on the back, you got the leather hit with the black New Balance text on it. And then just some black soles as well. So this is like a really good simple shoe that you can just throw together. And also these are 574s. New Balance, one like the classic models you just can't go wrong with. Also we got some netting right here, like near the side of the ankles. You got some netting right there. And just some black laces, and not too crazy, just a simple shoe. I just felt like I had to get it because I'm trying a little bit more when it comes to shoes and colors and stuff like that. So I'm just trying to do something a little bit more than I would normally wear, because I never had a pair of shoes like with this colorway. So I just felt like this was just so hard just to get just something simple. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video because I will be doing like an on foot on all the shoes that I'm showing y'all. So stay tuned for that. Right now I'm just showing y'all B-roll, but at the end I'm gonna show you how I look on foot. And yeah, so stay tuned to the end of the video. So next we have another pair of New Balances. These came in a few days ago, and I'm kind of excited that I got these. I got these pair of New Balances right here. Like these, like, I don't know, just that navy blue and that earth tone brown, like these 2 different browns and that suede. Oh my lord, like they got that rougher suede right here, this darker brown. Had like more of a rougher suede, and this brown, this lighter like tan khaki is a little bit like subtle with the suede, not too harsh, but I just like the texture they got going on here. Also we got some netting on the toe box right here, and I think it's just a simple shoe, just suede out, and a little bit of like, I don't think this is plastic right here. I think it's more plastic than leather. But anyway, I just like this shoe. The colorway is just so dope with these earth tones. So this is gonna be a fall shoe for me, for sure. So I'm so excited that I got these. And yeah, you just can't go wrong with New Balances. I'm slowly becoming more of a fan of these runners. And and Jordans, like in Jordan 1s, I just feel like these are so affordable. These shoes are really, really, really affordable. And people just, these shoes really been selling out, and I'm just glad I'm able to be able to cop these. Also, this leather on here, let me see if I can get this right. But yeah, this is like a really harsh, like aged leather with the end, and which I really like, again, with these textures. I really like the textures they be doing with these shoes, and just give off a different vibe, and the paneling just is on point. And we got these, I guess you could say, it's brown laces as well, blue stitching on the tongue, also on the back of the heel. This is what it looks like. And we got the gum bottom. You cannot go wrong with the damn gum bottoms. Can't go wrong. So another pair of New Balances that I cop. So we'll get to the next pair, let's get it. The pair of shoes that I got are from Asics. I kind of feel indifferent on these shoes, reason being, when I seen these online, they look exactly like this, but the coloring just look a little bit more deeper and richer than they do in hand. So I guess a little bit of photo editing played a part in that. But I like the shoe overall. We got a lot of suede going on within this shoe. We got suede going on right here with the Asics like logo. Olive military green. We got this suede right here on the toe box. Well, yeah, on the toe. And then on top of that, we have some mesh, like some navy blue meshing going on. And we just got a lot of stuff going on with this shoe. So right on the back, we got like some leather, this green teal looking leather on the back of the shoe. And we got some more of that meshing right here on the ankle, like on the top part. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff going on with this shoe. We got some more meshing going on. Where is it? Trying to find it. Oh, it's on this side. So like right here in the back of this suede, we got some more meshing right there. Hopefully I can see, like behind that suede, we got some more meshing. So I just really like how they did this shoe with all the paneling going on. They just seem like that's a thing going on right now, like go crazy with the paneling and just have fun with the different types of materials and textures and colors y'all can put together with these shoes. So I really do like this. And yeah, another pair for the collection. I'm trying to fit these somewhere in the rotation as possible. I'm trying to find somewhere to fit them in. But yeah, Asics, like them. Let's get to the next shoe. So my other pair of shoes just came in. I was just upstairs editing this video. So shoes came in, like let me run back downstairs and finish recording this part of the video. So these are the other Karhus that I had got. We got this pale salmon going on right here on the main body of the shoe with like some black mesh like netting on the inside to help contrast with this salmon pink, this pale salmon pink. Also, we got like this nice suede on the toe box, which is ridiculous. Also, we got some 3M hits right here on the toe box with that green. Look at this, look at that, shit. But anyway, we got some more 3M hits on the back right here and here. And I like how I've been picking up these shoes and find like these subtle little hints of 3M and stuff on it. On this side, we got like some mesh green right here by the ankle. Also on the back of the ankle, we got like some more mesh. And on the inside, it looks like the other pair of Karhus that I had with that inside lining, but the other one had like that golden blonde, but this is more like a silver quilted inside lining of the shoe, which I like a lot. On the bottom, we got like this forest green, and we got this gray and some more of that forest green on the heel, and this little bubble right here. I don't know what it is, but it's on the shoe. Also on the sole, we got a white sole, like white midsole with some like dark teal speckles on it. So that's what you can expect when you get this shoe. I'm pretty sure it'll be comfortable like the previous shoe that I had got for Karhu that I had showed y'all earlier in the video. But yeah, this is the shoe. I like it a lot. I'm trying to get in the rotation as soon as possible to keep me a clean and simple fit to go with these. Again, I really do like these runners. Reason being, it's a good alternative from Yeezys. I really want some Yeezys, but I just can't afford. I'm not finna pay $400 for the shoe at this moment. But since I can afford it, I just don't choose to buy it. So the price doesn't justify me buying it. So like, this is a dope alternative for me to get these Karhus, these New Balances, and these Asics. So I think they'd be like some dope runners to cop. And I've been noticing a lot of people been wearing Karhus, so, and a lot of New Balance and Asics. So this is like another simple alternative, cheaper alternative. Even though some of these shoes resell as well for a good price, but you can't beat like from 98 to like 140 for these shoes. So yeah, that's it for these Karhus. Let's get back to the video. All right, so the last shoe, this is my favorite shoe out the bunch. And I'm really glad that I really got into this brand just because I seen, and it's funny, I'm just giving you a little backstory on how I got on Karhu. The reason why I had got on Karhu, I had seen this video on Instagram where somebody was posting like people's shoes that they was wearing and rolling out. So people wearing like some Royal Toe, Jordan 1s. They had like a pair of these Karhus on and some other shoes. And these people like standing in mud at a festival wearing like some expensive ass shoes and some dope shoes. And I seen the Karhus, I'm like, yo, those are hard. And ever since I seen those shoes, I've been seeing pictures and ads everywhere about these shoes. So I finally got a pair, and I posted a picture of these shoes, but I ain't show like the colorway that they were when I had posted them. I just want to make have a little like secret and some kind of like, oh shit, I want the kind of shoes Matt got on and what colorway they are. So these are the Karhus that I had copped, and I just really like these shoes. I like these shoes a lot, especially like with the different paneling they got going, like the paneling especially that they have going with this shoe. The colorway they have going on with this shoe, it's just like a really like diverse, open-ended type of shoe. And with the colorways, I just really love it. And another thing that I had noticed when I put these shoes on, that these shoes have 3M on the toe box right here, as you all can see. So this right here is 3M. I didn't notice it until I had went out a couple of nights ago, went to the bar. And I just seen it reflect. I'm like, oh shit, they got 3M on it. Also, it had 3M right here as well. This side and this side. So it's 3M on the shoe just to give a little bit more flair to it. Also on the inside, you had like this, man, I feel I can see it. It had like this quilted pattern on the inside of it. Like this light pale, like blonde quilted color on the inside. And I really like how they have that going on for it. Also on the sole right here, the midsole, you got like this cream. Hold up, let me get this right. It had like this cream midsole with some teal blue speckles going on the midsole, and on the bottom, it's just white. Yeah, I wore these a little bit. I really do like this shoe a lot, man. Then you got this fucking like, you got some blue hits on here to accent the shoe a little bit more. And these shoes actually been selling out. Like these shoes really, really have been selling out. And it's a lot more colorways that I want to get. I did order another model of this shoe. It's a different model that I really like of this shoe. And that I should be able to film it later on in the video if it comes in the time that I expect it to come. So these are all the shoes that I got. And again, I got another pair upstairs that I'm shooting a separate video for you all to see. Even though you can go on YouTube right now and go watch it. And this is Jordan 1 Pollins. But anyway, y'all will see those. Yeah, these are all the shoes that I got. Hopefully I can finish the other half of the video if the shoes come in time. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Stay tuned for the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate all the support that I can get from y'all, because y'all are killing it. Y'all like the best subs I can ask for. Y'all communicate. I communicate back with y'all. And it just feels good to be back. Reading the comments from my last video. Hey, y'all are A1. And again, I'm gonna bless y'all coming November. I'm in the process of getting some stuff done. And yeah, so that's it with the video. We're finna get to the on feet. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe below. Again, down below. It's your boy Casual Mac. Enjoy.